Section 3. You will hear a conversation on the open labs. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 25. Now, listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 25.
Hey Mike, how have you been lately?
Stressed. My marketing professor just gave us an assignment, a monster project I'd say. We have to do online research and make a presentation using some kind of computer program. I have no idea about how to use that program. I've never even heard of it before. Say, you don't know anything about how the computer labs work here, do you? I've never really had to do any assignments with computers before, so I've never been to the computer labs on campus.
Actually, I worked in one of the open labs for 2 terms. What do you want to know?
Wow, thanks Jennifer. Where to begin? Well, first of all, where are they?
Well, the open labs are in the basement of the library in the Student Union building. And then there are 2 more on campus. One in the science building and one in the building where they do freshman orientation.
Oh yeah, I know the one you're talking about.
Anyway, the largest open computer lab is in the library.
Oh, okay. Are they open 24 hours?
Unfortunately, no. They're open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m, Monday through Friday, and 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. on Saturday.
And do they offer any kind of training on the computers? Like I said, I don't know much about computers.
Yes, they do actually. They hold computer workshops several times a term in the library.
Oh? What are they on?
Let me see. The first one is on downloaded information. Yes, how to access the loaded information.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
And another one, I think, is about the internet. Last term I took finding research materials online, and it's really useful. And this term it might be internet that works, but I'm not quite sure about that.
Anyway, is there anything on data collection programs?
Yes, collecting and analysing data. It's a very popular one, and it's a must for you. And the last one, I think, is about the skills for presentation, which is presenting yourself.
Oh, that's really something, isn't it? You know, we're going to do the presentation, and I just dare not think about it. Speaking in front of all the classmates and the professor, oh no!
Relax, Mike, and be brave. It's for everyone, not just for you.
Now, look at questions 26 to 30. Now, listen carefully and answer questions 26 to 30. Yeah, I know, but Jennifer, how can I register the workshop?
Well, it's easy, and you can sign up for one in the library. You just find any of the librarians in the library, and they will give you an application card. Write down your name, department, and your email address on the card, and of course, at the same time, choose the workshops you are interested in, and write down the code of the workshop. Remember, the code, not the name, and hand the card in at the information centre. Later on, they will send you a confirmation letter and the timetable as well. Next, print your confirmation letter and take it along with you as the identification for the workshop.
Wow, this is getting complicated.
It's not really. It just sounds daunting if you've never done it before. Hey, do you have some time right now? I can go with you and help you register for the workshop.
Thank you, Jennifer. Lead the way. I'm right behind you. That is the end of section 3.